Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Betterment for retirement step by step clearly. To begin your installation of Betterment for retirement, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Betterment for retirement and hit enter. Click on the official Betterment website link in the search results. Once the website loads, locate the Get Started button, usually found on the home page. Click on this button to initiate the sign-up process. You will be directed to a registration page. Fill in your email address and create a secure password. After entering your details, click on the Continue button. Next, you will be asked to provide some personal information. This may include your name, address, and date of birth. Carefully fill in each required field and proceed to the next step. Betterment will then ask about your financial goals and investment preferences. Answer the questions honestly to help tailor your retirement plan. After completing the questionnaire, review your information for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the Next button to move forward. At this point, you will need to link your bank account for funding. Choose your bank from the provided list or enter your bank details manually. Follow the prompts to securely verify your bank account. Once verification is complete, you can specify how much money you'd like to invest initially. Select your preferred investment strategy based on your retirement goals. Review the terms and conditions before accepting them. Finally, click on the Start Investing button. You should now see a confirmation message on your screen. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Betterment for retirement. Take a moment to explore the dashboard and familiarize yourself with the features. Your retirement planning journey is now underway. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.